This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kathy Day. Welcome to paradise. Light, bright and open floor plan features 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, prop. Card says 2-car garage west/fabulous pool/patio, electric pool heater, and summer kitchen on professionally landscaped 0.44 of an acre lot. Wow! Relax and enjoy the open living room, west/surround sound, and kitchen area, all overlooking the pool/patio. Kitchen features custom wood cabinets, granite countertops, some newer SS appliances, kitchen island with bar sink and wine cooler. Main bedroom/bathroom open onto pool area. Guest bedrooms share a bathroom that can be accessed from patio. Plantations shutters throughout. Some impact windows. Hot water heater 2024. Professionally painted exterior. Freshly painted interior. Summer kitchen west/JENN air cooktop, FRIG and bar sink. More. For more information, review the details below.